Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we're doing another quick review on the Makita HS7601J Circular Saw. So let's get straight into it, do some specifications, have a quick look over it, quick demonstration, then some final thoughts at the end. And you know what I'm like guys, I like to have a tool a little while before I do a review. I feel it's quite pointless really to do a review before you've actually tried it. So I've had this about 4 months. And so far, it's been okay. So, let's pop it open. Boxes, that is one thing I don't like. These are quite hard to pop open. They're not great. So it is 240 volt, which, again, I like that because you don't lose any power through the batteries. I do have a DeWalt one, as you can see on my videos. That is okay, but because the battery power gets reduced, I do lose it. So here you go guys, let's have a closer look at it and see what we think. This compact and light circular saw has soft rubber grip handles for comfort during operation. It features a rear dust extraction port, single lever height adjustment and rear angular guide for smooth and precise adjustment of bevel angle. The motor housing has a flat surface to help steady the machine when changing the blades, external carbon brushes for easy access. It's compatible with the Makita guide rail system when fitted with the guide rail adapter, supplied with the MacPack stacking case. Now for some stats. It runs at 1200 watts, it's got a max cut of 66mm, it's a 12 tooth TCT blade provided, aluminium base and die cast aluminium guard, switch lock and rip fence. The bevel angles are 0 to 90 degrees. The blade diameter is 190mm. It is a brushed, not brushless. A carry case / bag is included. As you can see, I've got the hard, tough, rugged case. It is of course corded. The corded tool weight is 4 kg. The disc bore size is 30mm and it comes with a 3-year guarantee. The no load speed runs at 5,200 RPM. So all in all, I feel it's quite a good investment. For this sort of money and for this sort of circular saw, I feel it's kind of mid to top end range of its class really. And I don't think you'll be disappointed if you get it. So thank you very much for joining me guys. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.